simplify 2x over x minus 2 minus 1 over x plus 2. When we want to subtract fractions, we need to have them with the same denominator. That is, we need to convert each of these fractions so that they have the LCD, which stands for lowest common denominator. In this particular case, the lowest common denominator turns out to be the product of the two denominators. In other words, it's x minus 2 times x plus 2. So to convert the first fraction, we would need to multiply the denominator by x plus 2, and therefore also the numerator. So this would be equal to 2x times the quantity x plus 2. And that's over x minus 2 times x plus 2. Then we have minus, and this denominator needs to be multiplied by x minus 2. So if we multiply the denominator by x minus 2, we also need to multiply the numerator by x minus 2. So that would be 1 times the quantity x minus 2. And that would be over the lowest common denominator, which we've identified as the product of the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity x plus 2. Now that they have the same denominators, we can combine the numerators by the method of subtraction. For this first numerator, we must distribute the 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared, plus 2x times 2 is 4x. Now, we are subtracting this other numerator. And if we first distribute the 1, 1 times x is x, 1 times 2 is 2. So we are subtracting x, so that's minus x, and we are subtracting negative 2. And when we subtract a negative, that's the same as adding a positive. And that numerator is over the LCD, which is the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity x plus 2. Finally, we can simplify the numerator by combining like terms. We have a 4x minus x, and that's equal to 3x. So what we have in the numerator is 2x squared plus 3x plus 2, and that is all over the common denominator of the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity x plus 2. And that would be our final answer.